we love nature. This is where we are involved in beekeeping. Welcome to GWC. My name is Magembe. Last week, I was in the field checking on my apiary, and I found that the bees are really doing well. And I was doing inspection at the same time, harvesting for those hives that are ready. So in the next video, you will see I'm harvesting from a langstroth hive. It's very, very amazing work. It's good work. It's very enjoyable. So for those of you who are sitting in an office and you're tired and you want to get out and do things, this is a good activity. You can start beekeeping and you will not regret. This is something that you can do in the entire lifetime. You will not, there is no time that you're going to say, hey, I'm retiring at the age of 60. You can do this until you are 80 years old, you are 85 years old, even 90 years old. If you have read that book called Ikigai, that you need to find an activity that you can enjoy doing in the rest of your lifetime. So in case you're sitting in an office, you're looking at retirement at the age of 60, that is bad. Get an activity like beekeeping that you can do it on your own, and it doesn't have a set date to retire. So stay tuned and enjoy. Yes, good evening. Today we want to inspect and at the same time harvest from some of our hives. So let's see what happens. We hope that things are going well here. So we're gonna start the inspection right now. So let's start. And usually the way we look at this is that, for example, if you want to know whether this hive is actually ready for harvesting, you can see the way there is a lot of bees outside. Means that this could be ready, but not always the case. But we're gonna try and see what happens. So you can start smoking them. Yeah, so let's smoke the bees so that they can calm down, because in a few seconds here, I think that's good. You can start opening up. You can start opening up. Yeah. 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 Yeah, give me that thing. I'm gonna walk in borrow. Where is this? Yeah. Smoking egg. Smoke. Yeah. So far it's looking good. You can see we are smoking the bees. Okay, yeah, give me the smoker. Lucy can take it. Which you may. Lucy. Lucy, come on. Get tangan. Buatang, masuk buatang korek buat. Buat ya orang lagi. Okay. Okay. Ayo buka baru bongge. Oh, ini mana kuat itu? This is very gummy. can tell. You see there's a lot of honey. You see how this is about 75%. There's a lot of honey here. What are they doing? What are they doing? So like right now what we have seen here is that looks like the queen comes up here because you can see there's a brood here. That's not good. It means we will check out to see what our queen extruder is actually working, because this is what we have observed.
Đi chỗ đi. Coi kìa kìa. Có bé ra đi kìa kìa. Bé đây. 소에다마 지금 그
괜찮아 그 지강에 이거도 나 지레메라 긴 지요.
이제 지내네.
이거로
예?
뭐
이메야.
먹어. 먹어.
예, 이메. 야, 소지 이거 나.
야, 소기를 그냥.
아, 너?
그런 마이가 나와 지치르면. 그리고 왜 이렇게 누가 또 니?
맞아, 내가 그냥 좀 보세요. 내 진짜 좀. 애들 이제